If you could make $300 online just by typing names, what will you use it for? Comment below and I'll show you today how to make $300 for free without any investment. So today I am going to show you how you can make $300 online for free without investment, and you can do it anywhere you are in this world. Get this straight, guys. This module of business that I am going to share with you today is highly certified by Google, which means it is Google certified. Google recognizes this business, and you can make easy money from this website without investing anything. So the website we're going to be looking at today is called Squad Help. Now, Squad Help, as I've said earlier, it is a Google certified website that entrepreneurs go to this website to submit a request so they can have business names. Now, there are many people in this world who really need a name for their businesses. Many people have ideas, but they cannot name that idea. Now, thanks to this website, you can just go there and give your own idea for someone else's business, and you can get paid for. Now, before I show you the website, let me show you what you're going to be getting from this website, how you're going to get started. I'm going to show you exactly how this website works. I'm going to show you how you can get started with this website. And the funny part about this website is it is applicable worldwide, which means if you're in Nigeria, you're in India, you're in any part of the world, in any part of the country in this world, you can use this website. And the most amazing part is it is free of cost. Now, I love free things, and not only me, many people in this world literally love free things. And the fact that you're able to make free money from this website just by typing a name, it's really massive, guys. It is really massive. And you don't need a website. You don't need any Wix site or WordPress site or even an email list. You don't need to build an email list to make money from this website. It's totally free. You just need to type a name and you get paid via PayPal or Pioneer. So before I show you really the website, I don't want to be too fast showing you the website because I want to tell you something. I have a bonus for you at the end of this video, but I know you're going to be asking, obviously, who are you? My name is Usman Ahmed. This is my channel, Millionaire Marketer. I talk about how to make money online, how to be a good entrepreneur, how to make a couple of hundreds online. So if you're interested in this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon, because each and every day I drop daily content showing you how you can make money online and how you can succeed as an entrepreneur online. Also, for those of you who are interested in building a full-time income online, I have a link in the description, the very first link in the description. Now, I have built my business from 5 to 6 figures online. If you're interested in building your business and making over $450 per day, consider going to the very first link in the description. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Now, guys, as I've said earlier, this website is Google certified. You can see there are people making money, a ton of money from it. You see, this is even a recent date, February 18th. That is 4 days ago. This young man made $300. February 18th. Also, this is another February 18th. This young man here made $350. Now, there are tons and tons of people making money with this site. So it is highly certified. In fact, I just found one with 500, and just 4 days ago, he made 500 USD. This is massive, guys. This is massive. So all you need to do now is just to sign up and join as a creative. You have to join as this person, not this person. If you join as this person, then you're a buyer. If you join here, then you're going to make money. You are joining up as a contestant here. So, guys, the website I was talking about is called Squad Help. Now, if you don't know Squad Help, this is a website where entrepreneurs or business owners submit a contest for people like you and me who really want to make money just by typing names, just by suggesting names for their business. Now, let me tell you this. Many people in this world have business ideas, but they cannot name that idea they have. Now, this website here is really like a bridge between you and someone else's business idea, because you name his idea, and get paid for naming his own idea. Now guys, we're here at Squad Help Active Contest, as you can see. So we want to find a contest, we want to find an assignment, a naming, we want to find a company we want to name now for some cash. Now guys, what I normally do is come to this filter results, and I want to choose result based on something that is more profitable or something that is really enticing to me, something that I can have more ideas to. Now, I can just come here and just choose maybe construction because I'm kind of obsessed with construction and some kind of building stuff. So I might just choose construction, and boom, I have the first contest right here. Now, if I scroll down, I can see some other contests, but some of them are closed, and so they're trying to finalize the winner. So you cannot get into this contest. But I just found one. Now you can get into this contest now and just get started for 135. Now, I remember saying $300, right? I'm so sorry, but $135 for free, I think it's not a bad idea. Imagine making $135 each and every day. That is almost $4,500. Now, I think this is not bad for getting started. Now, all you need to do is just to click this and find out information about how you can enter the contest. So here we are in the contest page for this company. So this company wants you to name a construction company or an architectural company for them. They want you to give them a business and the business name idea. That is all they want you to do. But you have to really be fast because for this contest, they have an expiry date of 1 day, 13 hours. So, and the price is guaranteed. You give them a name that they like, they pay you 135 USD directly. So what I always recommend is go down to their terms and condition. Yeah. So this is details. You should go down. They're going to give you, they're going to tell you, they're going to give you rules of entry. They're going to tell you what kind of names they want, what kind of entries they want. As you can see here, contest stats, they already have 925 entries and they have withdrawn 26, probably because they are not in conjunction, they are not correlating, or they're not congruent with their rules. So they withdraw 26. This company withdrew 26, and they currently have 889 active, and they have a participant of 319. They have participant of 319, which means 319 people have actively contested for this. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is just to get started. And as I have said, you can do several things here. Let's go to the marketplace and find out what other things we can do aside naming. I promised only naming, but if you have several business ideas, you have opportunities knocking your door, you don't open the door, you break through the door to find that opportunity and beat the hell out of it and make money from it. So I know you think I'm kind of wicked. Why will I bring you to a website and tell you to think of a name? What if your name is not chosen? Now, I am not going to do that. I am going to show you how you can find business names. Like some people can be so creative enough to find business names and can be chosen for, while some people cannot. Now it's fine, even if you're not that creative. I'm going to show you how you can find legitimate business names for this company. This company right here, I'm going to show you how you can find a business name for this company. And if you really like the business name, you get chosen and you get this bad boy and get this bad boy box into your account. Now, as I've said earlier, you're going to get paid via PayPal or Pioneer. So it's very easy. It's as easy as that. You don't need to do much work. You don't need anything. So I'm going to show you right now. All you need to do for you to know how to generate the business name is to go to Google and type in business name generator. So here guys, I chose Obalo business name generator because I find it so enticing. So all you need to do is just to come here to and generate business names and come here to the search. So we are looking for a company, for a business name, for construction company. So we want to choose an idea. We can write construction. So all we need to do is just to come down here and type construction and architecture. So now guys, they said we found 100 business names containing construction and architecture. Now from this 100, you can choose what you want. Now this is one: economic construction and architecture, upfront construction and architecture, crane construction. Now I find this so interesting: countryside construction and architecture, or glamour. Now Glamour has like I love the name Glamour, so you can decide to choose maybe this business name Glamour Construction and Architecture, and you can decide to take maybe 10 business names and submit it at once, and maybe out of 10 the buyer or the seller might, the buyer might decide to choose out of your 10. Maybe you choose 10 from here and submit all the 10, and who knows, you can be chosen for one of your business name, and boom, you get paid $135 just like that, guys, as easy as that. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please just smash the like button, and that's all you need to do, guys. That's all you need to do to make $135. And let's assume you sign up for 3 contests or even more. You get paid that $300. I promised I'm going to show you how you're going to make. Now that is so interesting and so powerful. And if you really enjoyed this video, please continue giving me a thumbs up. And I want you to comment below. Are you really going to use this business module? Are you going to go into this free marketing and start making money online? Imagine you make this with this $135. What are you going to do with it? Are you going to invest in affiliate marketing that I spoke to you about in the intro of this video? What are you going to use it for? Please comment below. I want to know. Now guys, here we come to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash and destroy the like button, and comment below. As I've said earlier, comment below. I want to know, are you going to use this business module, or are you going to get started with my affiliate marketing module business? Which one are you going to do? Is it the business model you want to start? Go down to the description and head over to squadhelp.com. Is it my affiliate marketing business? The link is right the first in the description. Now guys, I am really happy to share this video with you. If you are also, don't forget to smash the like button. As I've said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because each and every day I drop videos showing you how you can make money online. If you're interested in this kind of content, subscribe and hit the bell icon. For now guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.